Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Grace Estabilio. I'm 28 years old from Valenzuela City, Philippines. I had a one-year course in college which is associated in basic computer. I have 7 sisters and one brother. I have living partner and we are blessed having 2 kids, one boy and one girl. I have a local work experience here in Philippines for 3 years and 8 months. I serve 4 family members, including my boss madam, sir, and their 2 children. My main duties are housekeeping, cooking, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, especially taking care of their children. I did not renew my contract because I wanted to work abroad. Mom, sir, please choose me as your domestic helper. I'm kind, honest, trustworthy, and caring person. I will take good care of your children, love, respect your family. I promise to do all my duties, follow your rules and regulations at home, and finish my contract and renew if you want me again. Thank you so much and God bless to your family.